In creating place-making addresses of enduring value, E&O imagines what makes cities dynamic and lively places we are proud to call home. This is human living. Brilliant thinkers, entrepreneurs, and artists are calling secondary cities their new home.
Penang is really conducive for art because there's really a Malaysia Boleh attitude here.
It's possible to live in secondary cities nowadays. The way we've worked has changed so much.
Giving equal opportunities for talents to thrive and the country to progress.
We are small town kids. We want more people to get their chances.
For local youngsters to showcase and prove their worth.
One thing is for sure, there's no time like the present to live life to your fullest potential.
And as opposed to saying, I will do this and then at this point in my life, why not now?